She Code Africa Summit 2024. I'm excited to be here again, doing this for the third time in a row. One thing I'm very excited about this year is that I can visibly see the growth of everything that we have been doing so far in She Code Africa.
For this year's summit, what really stood out the most for me is showcasing our commitment towards diversity and inclusion.
We at She Code Africa are very, very keen on making sure that as women in tech, we are able to contribute our skills through innovation to contribute and advance the growth of Africa's economy.
The personal brand is not fixed, but it is flexible. So don't box yourself in. The world is no longer going to favor introverts. Have to come out of your shell and deliver as much as you can. I want women to collaborate to build amazing solutions. And I also want women to pick collaboration over competition.
Yes, we all know AI is everywhere. You need to understand, as a community builder, the principle of AI, especially in the career path you have chosen for yourself.
You can contribute to open source without writing code. I haven't written open source code in a very long time, and I still am contributing to open source.
Getting more opportunities can be very difficult sometimes. We just need to try to be a bit more intentional and a bit more personal. But don't wait for somebody to tell you this is the resources that you need.
If I'm to capture my entire experience in a single word, I would say inspiring. Thank you so much, She Code Africa, for having this and having all African ladies in this.
So when Chisom talked about the fact that it is okay, that your personal brand is not fixed, that you're flexible, that it's okay to move from one thing you were before to another phase of your career. If I had to capture my entire summit in a single word, it would be empowering.
It's psychology, I don't know if people know that. People think that marketing is some cool thing. It's really psychology, getting into people's heads.
The first thing that's very important for you to learn if you're going to make a pivot is sales. You need to learn how to sell yourself.
There's hundreds and hundreds of women, and it's clear to see that there's a range of women that She Code Africa is bringing together.
I would say this experience has been inspiring.
This summit has met my expectations 100%. It has also encouraged me to, foster my career in tech as a woman.
Nobody is going to address the issues that face women. If you are not going to expect a man to understand the issue and to create the right program for you, you must embrace technology.
If you snooze, we all lose. We all lose out of that talent that you have.
Faith without works is dead, and the works is insurance.
What pivotal role should we as women seek to play, in shaping the workplace in the future?
You need to understand that in tech, right? When we talk about representation, is a real thing because the majority of people are men.
Be persistent with the value. Once they see the value, they will key into it.
I'm challenging every one of us. So first is go and build up on your leadership skills. And the most important leadership skill is self-leadership.
So I came to the summit to get a laptop, and now I'm going in with a brand new Lenovo laptop. Our goal is beyond just having the conversation, we're providing the opportunities for these women to take up spaces and take up leadership positions.